All right, guys. So I'm just doing a an intro right here for this series. So in this series, I'm going to be showing you how to do some AI mocap, and I'm going to show you how to clean it up. Now, I tried a few, and uh, the best AI mocap I could find was Quick Magic. And I also have a promo code. You don't have to use it. It's up to you. But I'll leave that down in the description if you just want to support me with the promo code. But anyway, so this is the result I got. And yeah, it's not the best, but it's better than most of the ones I've tried. So, and I'll show you how to clean it up. So you'll see right here, the results I got in the end were decent. You know, probably not the best, but also you'll notice some wrist issues. That has to do with the skeleton. I'll show you how to fix that. There's two ways to fix it. We could either add a control for the twist bone and just fix it for the animation itself, or we could set up a post-process NMBP, and I may just show you how to do that method. So there is one trick that I used in getting the hand placement like this, and it was a bit tricky to figure out, but it's not that difficult to create on your end. So I'll show you how to do that. And basically, what I did was I added a control, and I constrained the control to the doors, and then I constrained the IK goals here, the IK controls to those controls that were constrained to the door, and then I just animated the control that was constrained to the door, and then I baked all of that. So that's how I managed to do that. It's a method that I've been meaning to look into for quite some time because of the way that the hands have to rotate as the doors are opening. It can be difficult if you don't use this method. So I devised that method for that purpose. So I did kind of mess up a little bit, and I made the ending a little too slow, as you can see when he's pulling his hands away. But I think the beginning is sufficiently quick enough. But this was really just for demonstration purposes to show you guys what kind of results you can expect after the cleanup process. Now, the cleanup process, it may take several layers upon layers upon layers, baking and then layering. So I'm just going to let you know now, cleanup is not simple when it comes to mocap. You're fighting the animation, the underlying animation itself in some cases, but that's easily dealt with using the curve editor, and I'll show you guys some tricks that I know to fixing that via the curve editor. So that can be a little tricky, and it takes a lot of experience and practice to get good at manipulating the curves on the curve editor. But it's not a difficult concept to understand, and I'll show you how you can utilize some of the filters that are provided by Unreal for dealing with the curves on the curve editor and during mocap cleanup. So the purpose of all of this is to set up interactive contextual animation scenes, which are like scripted acts or scripted plays where everything is already aligned and positioned. But this doesn't mean that these things have to be static that you're interacting with. They can actually be moving. So it could be an enemy that you're sneaking up behind and then you're stabbing. They're good for that kind of thing. Contextual animation scenes are also good for things like zombies attacking the player. I've helped people set them up for that as well. They can also be used for getting in and out of vehicles in multiple different ways. as demonstrated in the Matrix City demo. So I'll be showing you guys how to do stuff like that in this series as well. This is going to be an ongoing series, and it's going to take some time for me to completely fill all that stuff out, as these kinds of setups are somewhat complex. And really, though, the hardest part is getting the animations and getting the animations looking right. So this animation right here that I created is actually in the UEFN pose. So I modified it so that it was in the UEFN pose. When I recorded the animation, I made sure that I was somewhat in the UEFN idle pose whenever I did it. That way the cleanup would be easier and simpler. So there's going to be a lot of techniques that you're going to learn in this series for getting animations prepped and game ready. Yeah, I look forward to doing this series. It's going to be a complex series. It's going to take a lot of my time to create this series, and I hope you guys appreciate it. So I'll see you in the next video.